got somebody new pulling up on the Odyssey, cuz this motherfucker just been on my feed. Like, who is this dude, bro? Like, cuz, who you talking about? Bro, cuz got some wicks or something like that poking out. And I guess buddy from Florida. You feel me? One of them junks. But hey, you like what Jay who it is. BLP KOSHER. 2000's, baby. Let me know what area you from. Drop it in the comments below. And BLP KOSHER, when I heard this shit, my G, I was like, this shit snap. This is the first time I heard you, but why is they putting him on my feed like this? Is he up next? Let me know in the comments below. Boom with your big man. Hey, Florida, stand up. It's a South thing. So you know what it is. It's KOSHER. Run this shit. Shit, B. Yeah. Hey.
They say he cool, condensation. I got drip, I need a koozie. All my Jaspers crib, they left the Jew in the jacuzzi. 2000, baby, this the perfect storm. George Clooney, put my best foot forward till I peeped them boys were goofy. And every time my light shine bright, they try to dim some.
Yeah.
Now I'm with your lady eating dim sum.
Off top, the beat got me. The energy from that Florida wave, hey, I fuck with it. Seemed like he need Yak on the beat with him. You feel me? If Yak bless him with a verse, hey, that would be throw. Cause you know, hey, besides Rose, hey, Florida, it's Yak shit. Hey, but KOSHER, sound like you up next, bro, cause this shit hitting.
The magic dragon, if he smoke, then I might flip one. Tuck his tail, hop off the wagon, I might kick one. 7 years ago, I met a chick who put an arrow on the Smith & Wesson Steven Tyler shit. My arm's strong for toting Billy 60 seconds, throwing fit. I'm sipping eggnog, developing a dad by the shit. I'm getting flat spots and shit from my weird tear out. He playing chestnut checkers on my archery fanatic. I'll be rapping for a reason, I don't care about living lavish. Cause if it's smoke, appreciate the aromatics. 2000, baby, I ain't growing old, y'all. From the Florida choppers, now I'm on the road.
That's that Florida sound right there, bro. And don't get me wrong, bro. I fuck with when you can hear a sound and you know where it's coming from. You feel me? Like, if you hear a West Coast beat, if you hear a up north beat, if you hear a down south beat, you feel me? East Coast, whatever. If you, okay, yeah, I know exactly where they from, and that shit booming, I'm tapped in with it, bro. And this shit right here, this is my first time hearing cuz. Shout out to all my 2000 babies. Run that shit, bro.
Pistol dropper off like how low can you go, yo? Pull up on your block and I'm gon' bend it like I'm cold, ayy. Why they dissing on my peers? Don't you disappear? They ask me where I'm trying to take this shit. I told them change is near. And every time they try to make amends, that shit was insincere. That rusty ass 380 in my boot, that shit is souvenir. They stand them clips hanging like did the South. Fuck Harambe, pasta de pepe. I'll catch your ass and cook you al dente.
Cuz, love him some dim sum, bro. What the fuck is dim sum, bro? What the fuck is dim sum? That pasta aliante, hey. Whatever that is, keep talking that shit, G. Keep running it.
But the extra is more to the left, but I am not Beyonce. And I'm married to the money, shout out my fiance. BLP, John Quinones, pop out like what would you do? I'm smoking on you know who, the grandson of them damn lieutenants too. 40 out the gate, came out the roof, just me and woo. I get the info like I'm not more than that chopper.
Oh, yeah!
Venues with my dog, he look like Martian Boo.
Hold on, and my cousin look like Martian Boo. Hold on, bro. Shout out to Narwhal with that doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, me. For some reason, I don't know how Narwhal, when he interview an artist, bro, he know damn near everything about him. Damn near. So do-do-do-do-do-do. KOSHER. That's what it is, G.
Grew up fast as fuck, I'm trying to violate the Twin Lagoon. Sweet lips, I buck the game back, they salty notes. I think like Glock 9, a bad bitch blow me like a balloon. 2000, baby, I ain't growing old, y'all. From the Florida choppers, now I'm on the road, Pistol dropper off like how low can you go, yo? Pull up on your block and I'm gon' bend it like I'm cold,
In the chanting, bro. EP, put this number 1 right here, bro. On me. Cause something about that chanting, na 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 na. Hey, you gonna have the whole crowd singing that shit, bro. Who can say that shit? You feel me? Then the beat now. And then you bringing that Florida wave with it. So shout out to all my jits. I'm on 2000 babies. I'm an 80s one. So run that bag with your big man. Long way, only way, the right way. Hey. And let's eat some of that dim sum on mamas. That pasta, asta, whatever that shit was. Nah, 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 nah. That shit bang. On mamas, kosher. Long way, only way, the right way. Bone with your big man. On mamas, it's a marathon. So run that shit with me.